Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you find your mobile number from Instagram account? Well, it's going to be really simple. So bear with me on this one. Let's go ahead and open our account here. And on the orb section of your profile, we're going to be clicking on that. And you're going to be seeing your profile here. And then after that, you're going to be clicking on this three volume icon. You can go to settings. And after settings, you're going to be looking for the profile. Okay, in the account center here, on the account center, you're going to be clicking on the personal details, and on the personal details, as you can see, the contact info is here. You click on the contact info, and you can just basically add a new contact or click on one of those contacts to delete those exact numbers. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and that's how quick and easy it is. You guys have a nice day.